So shout out tayo guys. Dito tayo sa TV natin. Sa television. Yan. Nakapokus na kaagad. No? So, let's go. Shout out. Caballero name. See, according to Jeff, thank you for always sharing my video, my friend. Visit his channel, cooking channel. You'll feel hungry when you see his video. Thank you, Jeff. Puja Carl Hysen channel. His channel is on music and natures, beautiful natures, football server, sports channel, Dongdong channel, Marine Village, beautiful channel also. Visit her. Gorda. Stagtik. Support Mr. Stagtik also. Sopnas. Okay. Rudolph I. Bye. Let's find another video guys. This one, snack ng banana Q. Oops. Bawal. Skip ko yan, skip ko. Okay. Skip. I will skip it because that's not good for my channel. Okay. Basta natumba. Yan. Snack yan ng banana Q. Move it a little bit so we can read all the comment. Okay, and then we can promote their channel also. I'm mentioning their channel name, Cooking with. Okay, shout out for Portland Travel. Portland Travel. Great. Thank you for meeting. Nature. Beautiful nature. Thank you, Mr. Orlando Busing. Auto Japan. Thank you. Tazer Collection. Siyempre. Football Caballero. Tapos Barcelona's Street. Usang page, usang channel pala. Rainy TV. Iris Word. First, ang sarap ng merinda. Thank you for your comment. Sana G. Love Sarah King. Virgin Garden. Thank you for watching. Ken Wigger. Let's try to check one more video. Okay. Yummy spaghetti bolognese. Let's try this. Oops. Skip ads. Okay. Skip ads. You have to skip my ads. It's not allowed to watch your own ads. Okay, let's do that. Shout out. Night Axe Gamer channel. Sorry. Don't do shout out. Ano spaghetti eh? Dessert. A friend from Guam. Guam. Sorry, Guam. Noodles are such a great comfort food. Okay. Explore Big City. Lord is watching. Iya mo. Okay. You have to check one more video. One more video to this one. Montessori is number one. It's on top. Okay. Car, second, third, Explorer. Explorer? Explorer with Inting Butingting. Rosemary from Canada. Ingat palagi. Thank you for your comment. Inting Butingting. The the one who fixed the equipment, some equipment. Thank you for watching.